The global digital health market has seen tremendous growth over the past few years and is estimated to grow even more during the forecast period. From 2022 to 2028, this growth can be attributed to an increase in the adoption of digital health technologies by patients, providers, and payers, as well as the growing need for remote patient monitoring and virtual care solutions. Moreover, the rising prevalence of chronic conditions and the need for effective disease management strategies are also driving the growth of the digital health market. Furthermore, the increasing focus on preventive healthcare and the use of digital health technologies to promote healthy lifestyles are also contributing to the expansion of this market. The digital health market can be segmented into three main markets: digital fitness and well-being, digital treatment and care, and online doctor consultations. Each of these markets have their own unique characteristics and growth drivers. The digital fitness and well-being market is driven by the increasing awareness of the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle and the use of digital health technologies to track fitness levels and promote healthy behaviors. The digital treatment and care market is driven by the need for effective disease management strategies and the use of digital health technologies to provide remote patient monitoring and virtual care solutions. The online doctor consultations market is driven by the convenience and accessibility of virtual care and the growing need for telehealth services. It is important to note that the digital health market is highly competitive, with a large number of players offering a wide COO range of digital health technologies and services. The market is characterized by rapid innovation, with new technologies and services being developed and adopted quickly. Market is also highly dependent on government regulations and policies, which can impact the reimbursement for digital health technologies and services. Now let's take a look at the overview. Estimated market development and trend analysis for each of the three key markets that make up the digital health market. Digital fitness and well-being market. The digital fitness and well-being market refers to the use of digital health technologies to help people maintain a healthy lifestyle and improve their overall well-being. This market includes a wide range of products and services such as wearable fitness trackers, mobile health apps for nutrition and exercise tracking, and virtual coaching services. The digital fitness and well-being market is driven by the increasing awareness of the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle and the use of digital health technologies to track fitness levels and promote healthy behaviors. The market is expected to grow significantly over the forecast period due to the increasing adoption of digital health technologies by individuals and the growing need for effective disease management strategies. Digital treatment and care market. The digital treatment and care market refers to the use of digital health technologies to deliver healthcare services and treatment plans to patients. This market includes products and services such as telemedicine platforms, remote patient monitoring devices, and digital therapeutics. The digital treatment and care market is driven by the need for effective disease management strategies and the use of digital health technologies to provide remote patient monitoring and virtual care solutions. The market is expected to grow significantly over the forecast period due to the increasing prevalence of chronic conditions and the need for effective disease management strategies. Online doctor consultations market. The online doctor consultations market refers to the use of digital health technologies to facilitate consultations between patients and healthcare providers. This market includes services such as video conferencing for telehealth, online appointment scheduling, and digital prescription services. The online doctor consultations market is driven by the convenience and accessibility of virtual care and the growing need for telehealth services. The market is expected to grow significantly over the forecast period due to the increasing adoption of digital health technologies by healthcare providers and the growing demand for virtual care services. Now let us take a look at some of the external events that have impacted and will impact the digital health market. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the digital health market, accelerating the adoption of digital health technologies and services as healthcare providers and patients sought ways to deliver and receive care remotely. Government regulations and policies have also had a major impact on the digital health market, particularly around reimbursement for digital health technologies and services. For example, the passage of the 21st Century Cures Act in the United States has led to increased adoption of telehealth services. Looking ahead, the digital health market is expected to continue growing, driven by the increasing need for effective disease management strategies. the convenience of telehealth services and the growing focus on preventive healthcare, key market indicators such as the increasing prevalence of chronic conditions, the growing adoption of digital health technologies, and the increasing demand for virtual care services are all contributing to the expansion of this market. However, it is important to note that the digital health market is highly competitive and companies must innovate and differentiate themselves in order to succeed. Additionally, government regulations and policies are constantly evolving, and companies must be able to adapt to changes in order to remain compliant and competitive. Overall, the digital health market is poised for continued growth and innovation, driven by the increasing need for accessible and effective healthcare solutions. I hope you found this overview of the digital health market and key markets, digital fitness and well-being, digital treatment and care, and online doctor consultations helpful. If you want to learn more about the digital health market, please visit our website and download our latest report. Thank you for watching.